Hello everyone, I'm Mark Jarman, the author of Inspirational Life Lessons. Today I want to talk about addictions. If you've got a bad habit, the last thing that you're going to want is someone like me telling you to change. You'll know when the time's right yourself. You could ask yourself the questions: is your bad habit, is it affecting your relationship with those that you love? Is it affecting your finances, your health, your lifestyle? When you're ready to make a change, if you decide to, the best advice that I've ever heard is from a man named James Clear, who wrote Atomic Habits. And James stated that to change a habit, you need to change your identity. And what he's referring to is that rather than saying that you've got a problem that you're addressing and you want to change, James says that you should call yourself a non-drinker. And you should behave like a non-drinker, and you should avoid going to places where people drink, like pubs and bars where you'll be tempted or triggered. Another suggestion is to change a bad habit with a good one, and never be afraid to seek professional medical help. Good luck.